Hey folks, Rob and Nathan with Two Guys in a Ride, and we're here at Mecum Auto Auctions in Kissimmee, Florida, specifically Osceola Heritage Park. And in front of us here we have an absolutely beautiful 1961 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Roadster, and this vehicle is lot number R304, and it will cross the block on January 14th. So by the time you see this video, this beautiful vehicle will have sold. Now behind me you hear the hum of the auction block, and that is piped out into the tents and the different venues here where you can see the vehicles. So we got a little background noise to just kind of set the theme for what we're doing here at Mecum Auctions. Now this was restored by the Mercedes Mark expert, Jürgen Klockerman, in factory correct silver gray metallic with a blue leather interior. Now it does have, the body was stripped to bare metal and paint applied in two-stage application. It does have a 2996cc engine with Bosch fuel injection. It has a 4-speed manual gearbox and 4-corner independent suspension. Has a 3.98 rear axle, 4-wheel hydraulic drum brakes, and the engine, clutch, and fuel system and pressure plate have all been rebuilt. Now it does feature a Becker Mexico radio with Hirschman antenna. It does have a black soft top, sealed beam lighting units with separate parking lights, and it does have that all-important original jack that is seriously rare to find on these vehicles. Now it does have the restored interior and trim as well. And the Mercedes-Benz 300SL Roadster, long-awaited introduction at the 1957 Geneva Salon, proved that the company was committed to maintaining the world-class performance of its predecessor, the famed 300SL Gullwing coupe, while simultaneously refining the SL formula to create the ultimate open grand touring machine. Now, based on the same complex but lightweight tubular space frame as the coupe, the SL Roadster's road handling capabilities were noticeably improved despite a slight reduction in torsional stiffness, the result of lowering the center side sections to accommodate conventional opening doors. And Mercedes-Benz also refined the Roadster's independent rear suspension with lower swing axle pivot points, eliminating some of the high-speed unpredictability inherent in the coupe. Now, the overall driving experience was more civilized, in keeping with the Roadster's grand touring assignment, and careful attention to detail changes resulted in a more comfortable interior fitted with plushly upholstered molded bucket seats, full heating and ventilation, and a slightly larger trunk with plenty of space for a set of fitted luggage. Exterior styling remained virtually unchanged from the coupe, with the obvious exceptions of the convertible top and new larger headlights with integrated turn signals. The Gullwing's potent drivetrain also remained, and it was headlined by the 2996cc overhead cam inline 6, employing Bosch direct fuel injection, dual ignition coils, dry sump oiling, and a higher compression ratio to deliver between 225 and 250 horsepower with 202 pound-feet of torque through that smooth 4-speed manual gearbox. One of the last built with drum brakes, this 1961 Mercedes-Benz SL Roadster was professionally restored by Jürgen Klockerman of San Jose, California, to his renowned high standards. And as I said before, it was stripped and finished in beautiful Mercedes-Benz light blue with a gray with a light blue interior. And it was used using two-stage base clear coat from Maximum Brilliance. And of course, that interior, like I said, that blue leather is absolutely spectacular. With just 250 produced in 1961, this Concours quality 300SL Roadster is a rare and valuable example of one of the most remarkable grand touring automobiles of the 20th century. Like I said, by the time you see this video, it will have crossed the block and changed hands to a new owner, but we wanted to give you an idea of how beautiful the cars are that are on display and on for sale here at Mecum Auto Auctions.